Well, a lovely, miserable grey English day to be outside in the garden. Just pulled that out of the tank. Lovely. So yeah, just giving it a rinse through now with some TFR before we do the 3-stage tank treatment. Right, so we cleaned the tank out and I'm pretty pleased with it. Puts a little bit of petrol just running through it before I actually try and use it with the bike. But yeah, pleased with that. I'm not going to use the sealer. But yeah, whilst I had the bike stripped down, found some bits in the little storage tray in the back, and found the spring that was missing for this little latch here on the fuel cap. Now, I've been at it for some time, so I'm glad I didn't record it, but I'm almost there. Well, I'm not going to tell you how long that took. That was one fiddly little job. And that spring inside there was a nightmare. But it is in there and it does work. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Found some writing. There we go. It's a nice tight fit. But I did find there is a seal as well in that bag. So I'm going to change the top seal as well. May as well, whilst we're on. Be right back. So you can see just how crusty this one was. It's all cracked around there, can barely get in focus. Yeah. Yep, so there was a new one in there, so may as well chuck that on. Give this a bit of a clean up first. So what you didn't see was I actually flushed the tank for a second time. And these are the results from inside the tank. Really, really happy with how it turned out.